DA5-972 finish, polished stainless steel, voltage, 110 to 120 V, 20 amps. Features, hand dryer. Classic style design. Lowest sound level. Standard hand dryer. Longest life of all dryers. Surface or recess mounted. Durable and vandal resistant. Push button operation. ISTA 3A certified. ADA compliant. CE, tugs, CU lose listed. -9. 5HX11. 3WX8. 3D, 15. 8 pounds. Specifications, -110 to 120 V equals 2300 watts, 60 Hz, 20 or 15 amps. -208 to 240 V equals 2300 watts, 60 Hz, 10 amps. Collection, Model A collection. Manufacturer provides 10-year limited, 5 years motor,